In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a PC folder to Notion to facilitate seamless synchronization and backups. Whether you're aiming to streamline your workflow or just want to ensure that all your important documents are backed up efficiently, connecting your PC folder to Notion can be an invaluable step. We'll take it one step at a time, so don't worry if you're new to this process. To start, you'll want to open up Notion and navigate to the specific page where you want to integrate your folder. This could be a new page you've created for this purpose, or an existing one where this folder's content will be useful. Take a moment to decide the most appropriate spot for your needs. Having the right place in mind will help keep everything organized and easy to locate in the future. Next, on your computer, find the folder you want to connect to Notion. This could be anything from a folder filled with ongoing projects, a collection of digital resources, or perhaps some personal files that you wish to access through Notion. Once you've located this folder, you'll need to copy its path. The path is like an address. It tells Notion exactly where to look on your computer to find the folder you want to connect. Usually, you can accomplish this by right-clicking on the folder, selecting Properties, and then looking for the location or address listed there. Highlight the folder path and copy it to your clipboard. Once you've got that folder path copied, head back to your Notion page. You're going to paste this copied path into the page. You might decide to create a new entry specifically for this folder, or perhaps incorporate it into your existing notes and sections. Simply press paste and the path will appear there. It's a simple action, but it embodies powerful functionality, linking your files with Notion's organizational capabilities. After pasting the path, it's a good practice to make sure everything is set up correctly and working as expected. You can test this by attempting to access the path from your Notion page and ensure it opens the correct location on your PC. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully connected a folder from your PC to Notion. This direct link allows for better synchronization and backup of important files, ensuring your data is safeguarded and conveniently accessible from anywhere. And there you have it, a straightforward pathway to keep your PC files and Notion in perfect harmony. By following these steps, you've set up an effective means of integrating digital storage with one of the most versatile productivity tools available. Happy organizing, and remember to keep your workspace as efficient as possible. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out more guides to enhance your productivity toolkit.